समस्ता विवर्जितं सर्वदेवं सर्वमतं नित्यानन्दगुरुं भजे।
केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिम्
Our temple is back in session, and it's really good to see all these lovely devotees are coming back to the temple, to this place of worship. So I'm very grateful. Thank you.
It's such a change. Every time I'm in the outer world, things happen when I come back in here and I get in touch with my inner world in the temple, and with all the energy, with all the devotees, disciples here in the temple. It just takes me to another place, another level. So grateful to Swamiji that this temple is still open. Thank you, Swamiji.
It's a very great opportunity to be here and great temple, and I have complete love to Swamiji.
I'm very excited that we have the temple open again here in LA, mostly because I feel it's such a beautiful place to learn and to really experience the Vedic tradition. And I think it's important for everyone to have a little taste of that, and it's been such a blessing in my life. I would like it to be shared with everyone else I know.
To me, there is a great significance I can see, attributed to temple opening. We are also like a temple, our body-mind system, and all we need is an opening to connect to a master.
When the temple was open all the time, we took it for granted that there is temple, we can go anytime. But when we saw the temple is closed, then we started missing. I started missing. The temple is not open. When is it going to open? And ultimately it happened. It is so nice to see many people coming to the temple, feeling so good about it. And I hope we all continue gathering here.
Very, very happy to be back. The energy level feels very good in here today. And thank you so much for providing this beautiful space for us.
शिवशक्त्या युक्तो यदि भवति शक्तप्रभवितुं न चेदेवं देवो न खलु कुशलः स्पन्दितुमपि अतस्त्वामाराध्यां हरिहरविरिञ्चादिभिरपि प्रणन्तुं स्तोतुं वा कथमकृतपुण्यप्रभवति तनीयां सम्पांसुं तव चरणपङ्केरुहभवं विरिञ्चि सञ्चिन्वन् विरचयति लोकानविकलम् वहत्येनं शौरी
But for an enlightened person, it's under his control. He can either make this body alive or he can relax. Because of that ability, he can make some other body also alive. When he chooses to make a stone or a metal alive, it becomes a representative of his very self. All the deities, the major temple deities, or traditional temples, are all deities energized by enlightened masters.
दंष्ट्रामुररिपुवराहस्य भवति त्वदन्यपाणिभ्यामभयवरदो दैवतगण त्वमेका नैवासि प्रकटितवराभीत्यभिनया भयात्रातुं दातुं फलमपि च वाञ्छासमधिकम् शरण्ये लोकानां तव हि शरणावेव निपुणौ हरिस्त्वामाराध्य प्रणतजन सौभाग्यजननीं पुरानारी भूत्वा पुररिपुमपि क्षोभमनयत् सरोऽपि त्वां नत्वा रतिनयनलेहेन वपुषा मुनीनामप्यन्त प्रभवति हि मोहाय महताम् पुष्पं मौर्वी मधुकरमयी पंचमी शिखा वसंत
Masters, even after they leave the body, they decide to stay and continuously available to disciples through the deities which they energize. That is one thing. Even during my life, my physical presence is not possible everywhere, you see. So these deities will do my work. They are my representatives. Padukas are more energy center, but they will not be like an independent intelligence. But the deities will be independent intelligence. The deity takes a lot of, it's a big process. Energizing a deity is more like a giving birth. Padukas is more like a blessing. It will be energy center, like whatever information you give, it will reach me. That's all. But the deities directly will respond. It will just answer.
This was a place that was a center for, coming and meeting so many people that we enjoy so much, and having lots of activities and programs and things that were really great experiences. So I'm really happy that it's open again, and things are once again happening. So this is a good day, and I'm glad to be here.
The temple has become a home for us. With 2 young kids an hour away. They look forward to getting in the car to come out here. This is like a place I'd rather be than our home. I'd rather spend as much time here during the week. If I could be here every day, I would. All day.
It's really exciting. There's like so much energy here right now, because I think it was closed for a while, and today just feels really good and energetic. So I'm really happy. I'm really happy to be back.
The place of worship, the Garba Graha, is just really beautiful. I think this is such a beautiful temple, and I think people in LA are so fortunate to have it.
Our inner self is transformed so much that we are so grateful how we can express ourselves. Thanks Swamiji and Life Bliss Foundation that they changed our life so much.
It's so wonderful to look around and see our friends here, to enjoy with the door open, for all to come in and take part in the satsangs and yoga and the delicious lunches, and especially the fellowship and the spiritual development in the temple.
glad the temple has opened back, because this was our only seclusion from the rest of the world, coming here and enjoying the energy and also listening to Swamiji's messages.
Oh, I'm very, very excited. And it's not a surprise because I know that it will happen very soon. So, and in fact, I don't feel that the temple has closed before. It's great. It's really good to see everybody.
Bhavani